1 year, that's all it takes to completely rewrite your life. Not 10 years, not some distant one-day dream, just 12 months of showing up differently, and you will not recognize yourself by the end of it. But here's the thing. Most people waste years waiting for the perfect time to start. You don't need the perfect time. You need consistency. You need a simple, repeatable system that you can stick to for a year. Do what I'm about to tell you every single day without skipping, and your life will be unrecognizable in 12 months. Step 1 pick 3 habits that actually move the needle. Not 15 things, not 23. 1 for your body, 1 for your mind, and 1 for your future. Example, body, exercise 30 minutes a day no matter what. Mind, read 10 pages of a nonfiction book every day. Future, work on a skill or project for 1 focused hour daily. Why 3? Because they're enough to create massive change, but not so many that you'll burn out. The key is to stick with them for 365 days, not just until you feel like it. Step 2, replace 1 toxic habit for 1 year. Pick the habit that's been killing your momentum and get rid of it, or at least drastically cut it. It could be endless scrolling, junk food every night, gambling, oversleeping, surrounding yourself with negative people. 1 toxic habit removed is the 3 more energy, more time, more clarity. And here's the part no one tells you. The absence of a bad habit creates just as much change as the addition of a good one. Step 3, create non-negotiables. Here's where most people fail. They treat their goals like options. I'll do it if I'm in the mood. I'll start again tomorrow. Stop. For the next year, your habits are non-negotiable. They happen no matter what. Tired? Do them. Busy? Do them. Not motivated? Especially do them. Because the discipline you build from keeping promises to yourself is what transforms you, not just the habit itself. Step 4, document everything. Write it down. Track your progress. Every workout, every book, every hour of skill work. Why? Because seeing your progress is fuel. There will be days when you feel like nothing's changing. Your mind will lie to you and say it's not worth it. That's when you look back at your log and realize, I've been showing up for 63 days straight. I'm not quitting now. Tracking creates accountability. And accountability keeps you going when motivation dies. Step 5, cut the noise. For 1 year, you need tunnel vision. That means less time watching other people live their lives and more time building your own. Mute the negativity. Unfollow distractions. Stop explaining yourself to people who don't get it. You can't become a new person while keeping all the old noise around you. Step 6, build a life around the habits. Here's the magic. When you design your environment to support your goals, discipline becomes easy. Want to read more? Keep a book on your bed, not your phone. Want to eat clean? Fill your kitchen with food that fuels you. Want to work out more? Lay your clothes out the night before. Make the right choice, the easy choice. Step 7, don't judge results too soon. Most people quit after a few weeks because they don't see results yet. The first 3 months, you'll see small changes. By 6 months, people will start noticing. By 12 months, you won't recognize yourself. The compounding effect is real, but only if you stay long enough to see it work. Here's the truth. 1 year will pass whether you do this or not. The question is, do you want to look back and wish you started, or look back and be unrecognizable in the best way? Start today. Pick your 3 habits. Drop your 1 toxic habit. Show up every day for 365 days. Do that, and you'll have proof that you can rebuild your entire life in just 1 year.